At the DeSoto Deluxe, a full detail overview. Bio introduction. The DeSoto Deluxe was a full-size car produced by DeSoto, a division of Chrysler, from 1946 to 1952. It was introduced right after World War II and symbolized the American automotive boom era, targeting middle-class families with a balance of affordability, comfort, and post-war styling. The DeSoto design styling. Body styles available: 2-door coupe, 4-door sedan, convertible coupe, station wagon, limited years. Exterior features: rounded streamlined fenders, chrome grille and bumpers, integrated headlights and DeSoto hood ornament. Wide white wall tires, optional. Cloth or leather upholstery, trim dependent. Large bench seats for comfort. Full-size steering wheel with DeSoto emblem. Classic dash with speedometer, fuel gauge, and clock. ASTMI DeSoto engine performance. Engine options, varied by year. 3.6 liters flathead 6-cylinder engine. Power, 116 horsepower. Known for its durability and smoothness, not speed. Transmission. 3-speed manual transmission. Optional, tip-toe hydraulic shift, semi-automatic fluid drive, allowed smooth gear changes without clutching. Top speed, around 90 miles per hour. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 20 seconds, approximate. FY section degrees technology features, for its time. Fluid drive, semi-automatic, a Chrysler innovation. Heater and AM radio, optional extras. Large trunk space for family travel. Reliable mechanical drum brakes. Coil spring suspension for smoother ride. The market legacy. Positioned between the entry-level DeSoto Custom and later premium models. Sold well in the late 1940s as returning GIs looked for family cars. Became known for reliability, comfort, and value. Competing with Chevrolet Fleetline and Ford Deluxe. At its macro historical significance. Helped revive DeSoto's market after WWII. Contributed to Chrysler's overall success in the late 1940s. Known today among collectors for its vintage post-war American charm. DeSoto fun facts. Featured the famous DeSoto grill that looked like a toothy grin. Some models had wood-paneled wagons, now highly collectible. Today, a restored DeSoto Deluxe can fetch $15,000, $30,000, plus depending on condition.